This recipe is for furikake salmon. It's one of my favorite ways to eat salmon. Plus, it's super simple to make. I'm going to show you guys in today's video how to do it. This is a really easy recipe. You're just going to need mayo. I'm using Yoshida's marinade. If you don't have that, just make a simple syrup with shoyu with soy sauce. And I'm going to be using some furikake. So, also salmon. This was just a previously frozen salmon, and I like to cover this with mayo. I'm being careful not to touch my fork on the fish because I don't want to contaminate my mayo. And then from here, you just want to spread this on. It helps if you dry the fish too. So I defrosted my fish and I tried to let it come a little bit, I let it drop or rise a little bit in temperature so it wasn't so cold. And I'm heating my oven to 350. Okay, after you have the mayo on, you just want to put enough of the marinade sauce just to come up to the bottom of the fish. So that's maybe like a quarter of a cup. And if you don't have this, it's real easy to make something similar, just about equal parts of shoyu, any kind of soy sauce, just check it for saltiness, and also sugar and water. And then you're going to put your furikake on there. Just covering it up like that on each piece. This is one of my favorite meals. So easy, quick, and delicious. And furikake, you can find it at your Asian store. Sometimes I actually had to order this online because the small little ones, the small little bottles were like $7. I got this off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below for the one I bought. I think it was $25, which isn't bad. And it's kind of a pain to make your own. I just chose to use this one. So then we have it like that. So my oven is up to temp. I'm going to put this in. Another option that you can do is you can stir some wasabi into your mayonnaise if you want. But because the kids are going to eat this one too, I'll just serve it on the side. So into the oven it goes, and I'll keep a close eye on it. I have my oven at 350. You could bake it higher for a shorter time, or 350. I'll keep my eye real close on it. These things are kind of small fillets, so I'll check it at about 15-20 minutes. You don't want to overcook this, but the mayo will help it stay moist. That is hot out of the oven. Took about 15 minutes. And how you can tell it's done is because you'll start seeing those little fat pieces squeeze out between the fish, and the mayo topping will look more opaque. And this soy sauce, the Yoshida's, keeps it really moist, and the mayo keeps it really moist too. I like serving this with rice, and I'm gonna have spinach as well and some wasabi. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. You gotta try it. It's really good and really easy. Thank you so much for watching. Really good.